Hi Franny, good morning. So for today, this is our outfit. So, gray na top. Gray ba to? For blue gray. And this is my slacks. So I bought this one from Plaza Fair before. I do not know if you still remember. There's a Plaza Fair in Cagayan de Oro City before, like inside the Limkit Kai Mall. And my top is from Okay Ukay, and my shoes is the old one. Wala naman tayong bagong black shoes. Yung aking Sanya. And dahil gray, this is my bag. Gray. Then, so, alis na tayo mga friend.